Extracurriculars can be amazing for ADHD kids when you set them up right. Here's how. Hi, I'm Dr. Keelan O'Connell, a board-certified child, adolescent, and adult psychiatrist. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is a continuation in my childhood ADHD series. Sports and extracurriculars are great outlets for energy and creativity, and they can teach valuable fine motor skills and teamwork, just to name a few of the many benefits. But they can also be frustrating for children and parents alike without the right supports in place. Here are a few things to keep in mind when supporting your ADHD child in their extracurricular activities. First, choose activities wisely. High movement sports like soccer, martial arts, or swimming are often great for ADHD brains. They provide natural dopamine and don't require long periods of sitting still. But it's also important to honor your child's interests. In the end, engagement matters most. It's absolutely fine to trial your child in an activity that they tell you they are dying to try, even if you have low confidence that it's a good fit for them. Many sports and music classes offer a free trial class, or perhaps you can commit to a season of something and then reevaluate with your child whether they'd like to continue to pursue it or switch to something else. If the activity turns out to not be a good fit, just as you secretly suspected, your child will at least appreciate that you gave them a chance to pursue it instead of dismissing their wants outright. And in the long run, this will prevent both your child and you from wondering, what if, or what could have been, if you just let them try a particular activity. Second, prepare for transitions. Give a 10-minute warning before leaving for practice. Rather than nagging your kid to pack their bag, use a visual checklist that's attached to the sports bag that you can point to in order to gently remind them of what needs to be packed. Things like a water bottle, their uniform, or any kind of equipment. Remember, transitions are hard for ADHD kids. Preparation reduces meltdowns. Kids also thrive on routine, so knowing what to expect can help create a sense of calm in an otherwise chaotic environment. Third, communicate with coaches. Briefly explain that your child may need reminders or they might fidget during downtime. Ask if they can assign your child a specific role or job during waiting periods to keep them engaged. Most coaches appreciate the heads up and are happy to oblige. Fourth, and maybe most importantly, manage your expectations around attention. During practices with lots of standing around, your child might seem distracted. That's normal. Focus on effort and improvement, not perfect attention. ADHD kids often hyper-focus during actual gameplay, but struggle during instruction. Here's what matters. Activities should build confidence, not shame. If an activity becomes a constant battle, it's okay to try something else. The goal is finding where your child can shine. And one more thing. Celebrate showing up and trying hard. That's the real one.